Bugs, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a Lola Boutique haul, so let's get into it. Okay, so I do want to warn you guys, all the clothes that I picked out from Lola Boutique are very, very colorful. First outfit that I want to talk about is actually the outfit that I'm wearing right now. It's this really cute, like, bralette crop top with a tie in the front. It's white and floral, and it makes the girls look so good. Unfortunately, the straps, though, aren't adjustable. The next item that I want to talk about is this gorgeous baby blue, kind of like sky blue dress. I love the ruffles on the sleeves. I love the brown buttons that it has right here, and it comes down in a deep like v-neck, so it complements the girls, and it also ties in the back. The model that I saw in the picture actually tied it in the front. I tied it in the back because I love the way it kind of shaped my hip. The next item that I want to talk about is also blue. Now this is blue with like different shades of blue and white stripes. It's a romper. I don't know if y'all can tell. The romper also has it to where you can tie around the neck, and then it also has like another little tie in the front where the shorts are. I think it's really, really cute. It's kind of short, but it's stretchy in the back. The next two items I'm going to talk about together because I feel like it looks like a super cute outfit to wear. It's this really pretty mauve-ish pink bodysuit with like the exact same color pants. Now it's not a set, I kind of just got the two items and put them together, and I've actually worn this, but I didn't take any pictures, and I got so many compliments on the pants. They're really stretchy, but it complements your hips and like your waistline, and they're not skinny pants, so they feel really comfortable around the legs, not too tight, and they have pockets right here and no pockets in the back. For the next item, this is probably my favorite piece out of the whole collection that I got from Lola Boutique. It is this very cute summery like floral crop top, and it's really stretchy right here at the waist, and it has brown buttons in the front, and it's also collared. I love this style. I just think this shirt is so cute. I'll insert a picture of me wearing it at the beach. I feel like this is the perfect beach top, but you can also wear it out with like some denim shorts or anything like that. The next items that I'm going to talk about are also green, and this is a set. I absolutely love this color green. Like, I just think it's so gorgeous. It's this little crop top with biker shorts. I feel like this is definitely like a gym, or I look like I just came from the gym, but it really didn't. I went to go get Starbucks or something outfit. I think it's so cute. Definitely pair it with like some sandals or tennis shoes, and it's a look, girl. Trust me. And my favorite thing is they have this set in like multiple colors, so you don't have to pick the green. I also really like the red one, so I would definitely suggest to check it out. The next item that I want to talk about is this cute orange crop top, and it has the little wraps that, you know, like wrap around your waist. You know what I'm talking about. This style shirt is actually really, really popular this summer. I've been seeing this style everywhere, so I had to get my hands on one. I love the color of this top. I feel like it's like a tangerine orange. The next items I'm going to talk about is actually a set, but I didn't wear the pants because the pants were way too long on me. But I love this set because it comes with this beautiful bralette. It's floral as well and ties in the front, and the bottom is stretchy, and the straps are adjustable on this one, which I love. Seriously, if it has a strap, it has to be adjustable for me. And not only does it come with the pants and the bralette, but it actually comes with this super cute like cover-up that is the same pattern. I actually wore this when I was in Vegas, and if the pants would have fit me, I definitely would have worn the whole set together. So definitely check that out because I've seen so many people wear the set, and it's gorgeous. If I'm like, no, for sure, I'm going out, I want to look good, I want to look poppin', I want to stand out, it's this outfit right here, girl. Let me tell you. This is a gold set with a crop top where the straps you tie on your shoulder, and then it has the matching satin gold pants. These pants fit me like a glove. Let me tell you, the booty was looking right. This crop top complimented me so much as well. I'll actually insert a picture of me wearing the outfit. I loved it. I was in Vegas when I was wearing it, and I literally felt like I was one of those like golden statues in the hotel because this outfit made me feel just so confident. So I kind of backed up a little bit so you could see it more. Do you see it? Because this is so cute, guys. And alright, lovebugs, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and check the description box down below because I will have all the items linked. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, lovebugs.